adding a personal car mileage expense. When you use your personal car for business purposes, you will need to create a personal car expense to determine the amount of reimbursement. You can enter your personal car mileage expense from your open expense report, created from an approved travel request. To learn more about creating an expense report, please refer to the Creating and Submitting an Expense Report video. From the report, select Add Expense and select the most appropriate expense type. For our use, it will be personal car mileage. If you have not yet registered your personal vehicle, Concur will direct you to do so now. Click Register Personal Vehicle. On the personal car registration page, select New and enter the vehicle identifying number, as well as the mileage rate type, which will be personal car. Select Save. You've saved the vehicle. Once a vehicle has been associated with an expense report, you will not be able to remove it from this list. But for now, you can add or remove the registered vehicle. You can head back to the open report by going to the Concur homepage and under My Tasks, clicking on the Started Report. This time, when you select Add Expense and select Personal Car Mileage, it will take you directly to the mileage calculator. Enter the waypoints for the start of your trip to the destination. In our case, we'll be starting at San Diego State University and ending in Lake Elsinore. Select Calculate Route, and it will mark the distance. If you're heading back to your original location, select Make Round Trip, and the mileage calculator will calculate both of the trips. Once your waypoints have been entered, select Add Mileage to Expense at the bottom right. On the new expense screen, enter the appropriate information in the required fields, marked with a red asterisk, such as the transaction date. You will want to add any comments to the approvers or processors, noting the business purpose. Once you've entered all of your necessary information, you'll see that the reimbursements rate are listed here. You can go ahead and save the expense. You have successfully added a personal car mileage expense to your expense report, and we'll see the line listed here. When all necessary expenses and attachments for this report are added and you are ready to submit your report for approval, select Submit Report in the top right. Thank you for watching.